On the 24th of October 2013, me and a friend of mine decided to set up UK Southwest Storm Chasers Facebook page. Purely for the fact that we had the passion for photography, we wanted to take pictures of the elements that come off the Atlantic and hit our shores within the southwest of the UK. Not knowing what was going to happen when it comes to the storms of 2013, not knowing how our page was going to explode when it comes to the amount of followers that we do have, and not knowing that we were going to actually build a team to the size that we've got to this day. So let's just rewind a little bit. On the 29th of October 2013, St. Jude's was predicted to hit our shores within the southwest. All forecasters were saying it was going to be on the size of the hurricane of 1987, with gusts 80 plus miles an hour that was going to slam into our shores. So for me, a weather enthusiast who has a passion to go out storm chasing, swimming in thunderstorms, I could not dream of anything better than getting out there and being in the front line of St. Jude's hitting our shores. So myself and a friend of mine were up on Plymouth Hoe of the night of the 29th of October, and have to say, we were slightly disappointed. Winds gusts of about 45-50 miles an hour hit us. If anything, we got more wet than blown to pieces. But hey-ho, we weren't disheartened. From that date, this page started off with 50 followers that saw, which happened to be friends and family. That grew to just over 100 by January, so not that many. Again, friends, family, and their friends. 12 months on, we now have over 8,000 followers. We also have around 60,000 engaged people during peak storm events to our page, private messaging us, sending us in their pictures, video footage, and we have to say thank you to you, those followers who are dedicated and give up their spare time letting us know what it is that they're experiencing in their area. Not just that, we also get 22,000 engaged people at any given time, day and night, on our page. We've received over 6,000 pictures and video footage images of what their people are experiencing in their area. I have to say thank you to my core team. If it wasn't for their dedication, giving up their spare time, bringing you daily forecasts, weather warnings, and just replying to your private messages so we are on a personal level with you, making sure that everyone has a reply to anything they post on our page, I have to say thank you to their energy and dedication. And finally, I just want to say thank you to you, our followers. You make the page what it is today. If you did not give up your spare time just to pop on now and again, like a picture, post a comment, it wouldn't be again what it is today. So this short film you're about to see takes us back to October and leads us right up to present day. Enjoy.
T